If I could sit down with the man I was back then, running those hotels, before any of this happened, I know exactly what I'd tell him. Not slow down, not stop dreaming, something entirely different. What would you tell your younger self? Hold that thought while I tell you mine. I've always been a doer, always been in the service of others. I love helping people. I loved putting on a great event, watching people enjoy something I'd put real effort into. That goes a long way back for me. I mastered nearly every part of the hotel industry. Waiting tables, cleaning, stocking bars. I taught myself to cook. I worked under great chefs until they said I was ready to go on my own. I always believe, do your best, whatever it is, so you can go to bed at night knowing everything you did that day that was in your control, you did properly. Does that sound familiar? I'd bet on a few of you being exactly the same before all this. Good at everything, proud of it, never once questioning it. Here's what I'd actually tell my younger self though. Have the dreams, work hard to make them real, but master the art of delegation. Delegation, that was my one real fault. I'd tell him, get the right people around you, the right team, trust them. Let them know how you work so you don't need to be looking over their shoulder. Employ them to do the job and then actually let them get on and do it. Tell me, are you trying to do absolutely everything yourself? I'll give you an example. After a busy weekend at the hotels, I'd be doing the stock take, working out what we needed for the week ahead. I insisted on placing that order myself every single time. I didn't trust anyone else enough at the time in case they missed something I thought was important. Same with the kitchen, shopping. I should have written the list and handed it over to someone else. Instead, I was out running around different shops myself, and that took time away from my actual craft. The prep, the cooking, the thing I was actually good at. When you're doing things like that, it feels like you're stuck in the weeds. You're stuck in the weeds of the business. You're not outside the pond at that point. You're right down in the weeds. So where does it show up now? Forestry. I love the job. Love the forest. I'm hands-on at it every single day. I've got a small team of subcontractors. Trust is still hard. You leave instructions for the day and sometimes you come back to find someone's taken it upon themselves to do something completely different. If you run your own thing, tell me you haven't felt that exact frustration. Go ahead and tell me in the comments. But here's the honest bit. It has actually got easier. There's not the same instant time pressure as the hotels had. If a job doesn't get done today, it gets done tomorrow. That's a lot easier to take on the chin than it ever was back then. So dream as big as you want, work as hard as you need to, but stay out of the weeds long enough to actually do your craft. And trust the people around you enough to let them help you build your business. Genuinely, what would you tell your younger self? Not a lesson, just the first thing that comes to mind. Drop it in the comments down below. And if you are doing everything yourself right now, running on empty, the way I was, the 7-day mind reset plan is free. Links in the description. It came from a time exactly like that kind of period. And if you got any value from this episode, please like and share it with someone who might just need it. So please subscribe so you don't miss any other episode. Thank you. This is Stronger After the Storm. I'm Doogie. Thank you for listening. Take it easy and I'll catch you next time.